Welcome back to DoItMyselfGarage. It's another Tech Tip Tuesday. We're going to replace a headlight on a 2003 Mitsubishi Galant. Alright, let's get the hood open. Okay, let's show you here. Here's the driver's side. Might be a little bit harder to do because this box is in the way, but it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is pull this clip right out. There's 3 prongs. It pulls kind of hard, and that pulls right out of the bulb. What I found works pretty good is just using a needle nose on there, and it'll pull right out. Pop, just like that. So if you can see that retainer wire in there, you just gotta give him a push. He should come right off the back side of the bulb. So that's what it looks like when it unclips. It just pops out. Then this hole works, just tips out, and out comes the bulb. Alright, 2 vertical and 1 horizontal, so it'll go back in just like that. Okay, so this bulb is not broke, but I wanted to take it out and show you. I had to replace the one on the other side last night so I wouldn't get a ticket on the way home from work. So just set it in there, 2 vertical and the horizontal ones on top. Then just move this clip back down into place and hook it back under that. There's a lip in there, you'll see it. Just hook it back under that lip. That holds the bulb in. Put your boot back on. Oh, one here it is. It says top right on the edge here. It says top. Boot is on there. It just kind of goes on lightly, and then just push your connector back into place. You can kind of stick your head down in there. You'll be able to see the connectors, but it's already lined up. Just push it into place, and she's good. Let's go turn the headlights on. And the headlight is on. You're good to go. This bulb was good, but that's basically all you do is just replace your bulb. Super easy task, anybody can do. Once you get used to doing it, you can do it in just a couple of minutes. Might take a little bit longer if it's dark out. But that needle nose plier works really good at prying that out of there. You kind of want to pry it out straight so you don't bend anything, and try not to stress the wires. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and follow along for more useful tips. This is just my Mitsubishi work beater car. Has 150 some thousand miles on it, but she runs great, and every once in a while I have to put a new headlight in it.